Hello, StethoSociety users. My name is Horizon. Today, well, it's the 30th right now, but I'm recording this for the 29th of January 2021. It's currently 1:47 when I'm recording this in the morning. And I think the last time we talked, I'm quickly looking at my notes here. This is Notion. I think the last time we talked, I removed the restrictions so that anyone could upload cases, update, delete. Like, not anyone could delete them, but yeah, I think I removed the restrictions. But I still want people with verifications or people with a registration number, i.e. people who are doctors, to still have some importance, right? So what I have done now is, if someone is verified, if you look someone's name up, they'll have a check mark next to their name. Secondly, it is, okay, so this is something really cool, okay? So you know how you see the little graduation cap if something is UG friendly, right? In the top right hand corner of the case. I've just put a little check next to it. So if some case is from someone who is verified, we'll have a check next to it. So that way, you know it's a good case because a verified doctor has put it up. So that is something that I have added. I think I'm pretty happy with that. Next, this was actually quite a task. Sorry. Basically, I was talking to one of my brothers about this, and he told me that I should put a case on the home page so that people know what this is, right? And I thought that was a really good idea, so I started programming that. I ran into some issues with indentation spaces because I was copying code off the documentation and it had some weird formatting. So that was a really funny issue. Now I know how to deal with it. Then actually, I put everything up, and then I noticed that it was looking fine for me because I was using I thought, okay, listen. So when I ported over, so when I made the website light and dark mode, like both of those modes, what happened was I made it well for logged in pages, like basically your home page or the subjects page, all of that stuff. Like I optimized all of that, but in this process I forgot to do it for the landing page and all those non-logged in pages. That's a really bad thing because for the past month, if someone came to our website, they would basically see a light background and light text because the background was for the light mode and the text and everything else was for the dark mode. So it looked terrible. Now I fixed it. It works well now. There was a whole issue I had to do. It was quite a task, I have to be honest. Also, I changed some stuff. I removed my name from the landing page. I don't think it's necessary who I am or what I do. And I mean, I would want to put my name. Honestly, I think people who believe in stuff they put out and publish and stuff, they put their names behind it if they believe in it deeply. But my friend told me it was cringe. So I think, yeah, I mean, I gotta agree. I have it in the footer, so I think it's fine. Also, so I made the change on my local machine, right? But I also wanted to reflect on the server, so I had to do that. I'm running into some issues with Git, so I had to do it manually using some other tools. So that took a little bit of time. And finally today I finished so basically a lot of the system was built about orders and payment accounts and stuff like that, so that I was basically basing my stuff off people putting on paid notes. Apparently a lot of people want to put on free notes as well. I thought that would be minority, so I wasn't quite concerned about it. I was like, okay, I'll figure it out later. That this is why it is at the end, right? Otherwise I would have designed it this way from the start. But a lot of people want to put on free cases or free notes, so I had to figure out a system for that because payments, you no longer have payments for the confirmation. You don't have any of that. Also, anyone should be able to upload notes now. Before this, what I had was if you have a payment account linked, only then you could upload notes. Now everyone can. So that was something else I worked on today. So it has things on the front end, things on the back end, a whole bunch of stuff. I don't want to bore you. So that is what I worked on today. And today is the 30th, so 29th. So tomorrow is the 30th. I will check for light and dark UI tomorrow, and also responsiveness. And also I need to check about cases not having thumbnails. So what I'm planning to do is switch into light mode, go on the mobile UI, and look at a case without a thumbnail. Those three will be covered. It will take a little bit of while. I don't know how. Also, I don't know how to make the mobile UI for the shop page of particular notes look good. Like, I don't understand. Should I center the text? Should I left align it? Should I right align it? It just doesn't look good. I don't know. I guess we'll know tomorrow. So technically, I gotta say this. Technically, I could have pushed an update by the 31st. Okay, I could have. But you gotta register your business, you gotta get a business plan, you gotta link accounts on the back end to receive payments. I don't know how long it takes to get a business plan. I've never done it before. So, just gonna have to wait for that. And sit tight, people. I don't know. Also, quick thing. I am gonna split another update later on. So right now, I was gonna add a dashboard to the website so that if someone bought your notes, you would see like a dashboard of your historic sales, your recent reviews, your recent orders, stuff like that. One more thing, I'm not gonna be revealing who bought which notes because I just privacy issues. Like if I bought someone's notes, I wouldn't want my name to be up there. I just don't want it. Simple as that. People want it, sure. People can do it, but I'm not. I don't. I want it to be transparent. I want it to be privacy focused. I also want to collect the least amount of data possible. That is also one of the reasons why I am not having stats on free notes. Because if you click on a link, that doesn't really mean you got the notes. If you visit a page, I don't want to be tracking all of that stuff. So I'm gonna hold off on that. But update 2.1. So sorry, wait. Update 1.1. This is going to be update 1.0. This is going to be update 1. No, wait, 1 second. Update 1.0 or 1.0. I don't know. Silly things to talk about. No, let's just forget about that. So update 1.1, I'm going to have the dashboard update and stats and stuff like that. And that's going to come out around February 15th, I think, because I know it will take me a couple of days to figure that out because I'll have to work with graphs again. I don't know, I had some weird issues with the canvas not working properly. So I would just put it on hold because I know it's not essential, but I really want to push out this update. But if it takes like more than a couple of days for the PAN card to get here, I'm going to do it anyways. I'm just going to merge it into update 1 and push it. So that's cool. That's where that's what I've been up to. I've also been talking to some people on Instagram about all of this stuff. Hopefully they decide to put their notes on. It would be really nice. It's just a lot of work. Well, anyways, thank you for listening to me. I hope you got your updates well, and bye bye.